The question is, what are common mistakes that people make in bus accident claims? We were recently contacted by a man who was on Augusta public transit, and the bus driver took off too fast and he fell and he hurt his back. If you're watching this at home, you may have gone through something similar, or you may have been hurt in a bus accident. One of the biggest mistakes that this man made, and a mistake that we've seen before, is that he did not immediately report it to the bus driver because he didn't really think that he was hurt. So he made no type of incident report at all. He got off the bus at his stop, and later on that night he started having back pain, and the next day he was at the doctor's office. Now, at the time, he didn't report it. He had no idea who around him had witnessed it. He didn't even know the name of the bus driver. And so that had already put him in a position where, in a complicated position where he was having to fight an even more of an uphill battle in order to make a claim against the city. Another mistake that I see people make, and if you're watching at home, is that you delay in getting legal representation. If you're watching at home, I would urge you to get an attorney as quickly as possible. Bus accidents are different. In this man's case, that was an accident that happened on the bus, happened on a city bus. Chances are, if you have a claim against as a result of a bus accident, it's going to be a city bus, or it's going to be possibly a school bus. It's going to be a county-owned bus, or a state-owned bus, or a city-owned bus. There are specific rules that you have to follow in order to bring claims against cities, counties, and states. And they are different in every state, and they are set up to where if you do not comply with them, your claim is barred. It doesn't matter how negligent the bus driver was. It doesn't matter how badly you're hurt. It doesn't matter that you could have brought that same exact claim against another driver. It only matters that you didn't comply with the procedural requirements of the state law or the county law or the municipality, and now your claim is barred by sovereign immunity. So I would urge you, if you have been injured in any type of bus accident, particularly one involving any kind of city, county, or state-owned bus, I would hire an attorney as soon as possible. And I would hire one who has experience prosecuting claims involving personal injuries, a trial lawyer who has experience not only in prosecuting personal injury claims, but who has experience in handling claims against county and state entities, claims involving buses. They are similar to other personal injury cases, but they also are different. If you've been injured in a bus accident, we would be more than happy to sit down and answer any questions that you have.